guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dark Coders. In this video, you are going to learn about structure of HTML. The standard structure of HTML has two sections, head and the body. Before beginning our coding, I wanted to tell you that there are two types of elements, container element and the empty element. Container element consists of both the tags starting tag and the ending tag, and the empty element consists of only starting tag. It has no ending tag. So let's begin with our coding. We have to write first is doc type HTML. After writing this, our software brackets will get to know that we are doing coding in HTML language. In first video, I have told you that we have to save the file before beginning our coding. You may have saved already. Okay. So here we will get one of the benefits of saving. Now we will write here is HTML. See, I have got both the tags, starting tag and the ending tag. Now I will place it somewhat down. It's too much. Yeah. After this, we are going to write is head. Head stands for heading, and here we will write is title. In title, we can write anything. I will write here my first web page. See, whatever we will write in head and in title, it will be displayed in this top here on our web page. So after head, we have to write is body. We have to place the body also somewhat down. So now we have to write is after body. Whatever we write in body will be displayed as a main content of our web page. Now after body we are going to write is here h1. This is the most basic and first tag of our HTML. Here I will write, we can write anything in h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. It can be extended till h6. I will write here is heading 1. I will tell you till h6. It can be extended till h6 only. H3 heading 3 H4 HEADI heading 4 H5 heading 5 and last H6 heading 6. See, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 means here H stands for heading. Okay. After this we will write we will use second basic tag of HTML, that is P. P stands for paragraph. If we wanted to write anything in paragraph form, so we have to use this tag. Here I will write is heading sorry as now in paragraph I wanted to write is heading 1. Heading 1 has biggest font size, and I can write many lines in paragraph, so I will write here heading 2 has smaller font size smaller font size as compared to heading 1. Okay, so this will be displayed as the paragraph in our web page. So I wanted to bring it back where I have written HTML. Now see, now when we will run this, I have told you in last video also, here this sparkling sign, I have told it in Bijli sign, it is sparkling size. This sign is used for viewing our web page. So let's view our web page. So this is the output of our web page. You are able to see here our title, my first web page, and here heading 1, heading 2. I forgot to tell you before that, as the number of heading increases, size decreases. And here we are able to see our paragraph which we have written in paragraph form. So this is our results of our coding. So up till now you have learned how to do simple coding and run our program. So now we are going to learn is adding color, different color to our web page. So let's see how to add the different colors to our web page. For adding the color to our web page, we have to write is bg color inside body tag only. Here bg, sorry, I have to give space, bg color. In HTML, color spelling is color. We don't have to write there color. Bg color is equals to yellow. We have to write it in this form. Sorry. Yeah. Yellow. Now we have to write is left margin. Left margin is equals to 100. It is actually the size of our width. Okay, so comma top margin. Top margin we will write is 25 or 30. So equals to 30. So now we will this color, a yellow color, will be added to our whole web page. So after this we have to write is if we wanted to add color to our font, so we have to write is font size. Font size is equals to, we can write anything. I will write here 6. On and color, color, color will be blue. We will give, sorry, equals, we are forgetting. So that color will be blue, and after that we have to use this conical bracket. So we have got end of font. So now let's try to run. So this is the output of our programming. You are able to see here yellow color and here black color. I have to tell you one more thing, guys, that indentation. What do you mean by indentation? To keep our tags in line in a proper manner. So let's do it in our web page. So now what do you mean by indentation? Indentation means keeping your tags in a proper line. See, I have done it for you. See here, head is in proper line. We have to do this. Body. Starting and ending tag should be in a same line. The line should not change. This was all about this video. In next video, you will be learning new tags. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the regular updates.